And while I'm in here, there is this rattle here, which is kind of annoying, so I'll look into that. So this is before. A lot of rattle. Something's loose on that. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I had a video where I showed what noises you may be hearing on your ATV and how to eliminate them. I'll link it down in the description so you can find it. One of those noises is the heat shield on your ATV. So I'm going to show you how to fix the rattling and buzzing noise that you may get when you're riding in today's video. So let's get to it. So you're going to want to get down to the heat shield, and there are 2 bolts on this. This is an Altera. Your ATV might be a little different, but you want to spray those with some PB Blaster to get those loosened up and let that sit for a while. Then you can pull those out. Then you can pull the heat shield off the ATV. You get that out of the way. Then you can pull these 2 springs. What we're going to do is get back behind here because this is our heat shield that's rattling, and we need to get back behind the muffler to get to the screw back there. So on this one, it turns out that 2 of the screws had backed out and were a little bit loose. But what I was going to do to fix this anyway is I'm going to get some Loctite on here, and then also a washer that's slightly bigger than the head. Because over time, your ATV is going to be rattling around and it's going to wear through. You can see it started here, but it's going to wear through eventually because this is just aluminum. So putting a washer on there, you get a bigger surface area than just the head of the screw. Alright, now I've got washers in there, so we've got more coverage, more surface area holding this on. No more rattling, so we can stick it all back together now. It's got 3 mounting tabs here, here, and here. Got that one down there. Alright, now that that's all together, we can put our plastics and fenders back on, and we should be good to go. Alright, we got everything fixed up. This is after. That is eliminated all the rattle. It's all gone. So there you go. Check out your heat shield. It may just be a loose screw, or maybe one of the screws have wallered out that mounting hole a little bit bigger, put a washer in there. I use Loctite so those screws are going to stay in there a lot better. Alright, we've got that all buttoned back up, fender back on, racks and everything. Hopefully this video helped you out in eliminating that heat shield rattling. If you missed it, check out this video if you need to install new heat tape on your fenders to keep you cool riding in the summer. Be sure to subscribe, follow along, and I'll see you guys in the next one.